Very good morning students. Sai Ram. Welcome back to our revision session. So children, now revision is going on for your unit test. So for your unit test, you are having two lessons, that is basic concept in geometry and integers. This session I am going to take revision of integers. Are you ready children? So first, what is meant by natural numbers, which is known as counting numbers? Natural number will start from 1, 2, 3 and so on. Okay. So can you see the smallest natural number? Yes, smallest natural number, that is 1. Greatest natural number, this is, yes, greatest natural number we cannot say. That is continuously, yes, going on, so we cannot say. That's why we can say the greatest natural number is infinity. Okay, next one is what? Whole numbers. Whole numbers means, yes, 0 plus all natural numbers. That means whole number, it will start from 0. So can you say the smallest whole number? Yes, 0. And the greatest whole number we cannot say, so that is infinity. Okay, so next one is, see here, positive numbers. Positive numbers means, children, I hope you might have seen the number line, isn't it? So that number line, that 0, after the 0 which numbers are there? Yes, after the 0 we have to write 1, 2, 3. So that numbers are called what? Positive numbers. See here, in increasing numbers like 1, 2, 3 and above 0. These are called, yes, positive numbers. Here example also I have given. See here, positive number, which sign will come? Positive sign. See here, this one we can read positive 5. And next one is positive 7. So in front of, if you are writing that plus sign, that is called what? Positive numbers. These positive numbers without sign also we can write. See here 10. Here I have given, yes, in example I have given 9 and 10. In front of this number there is no sign, but it means what? It is a positive number. Okay, so we can say positive 9 and positive 10. Understood children? Next one is negative numbers. Negative number is a real number that is less than 0. So that on that number line, left hand side of the 0, which numbers are there? Yes, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, these numbers. That numbers are, that numbers are called what? Negative numbers. In front of that number, negative sign is there. See here, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Okay, and so on. And next one, say here children, so we studied now what is meant by positive numbers and what is meant by, yes, negative numbers. 0. So in number line 0 also it is there. Yes, 0 does not have any sign. There is no positive sign, there is no negative sign for this 0. There is no 0. Okay. So our name of the chapter is what? Integers. What is mean by integers? See here children, I have given one number line here. Yes, here in middle what? 0. That is called what? Can you say? Yes, that is origin. And here right hand side of the 0, which numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. That is group of positive number. Okay. And you have to see here left hand side of this 0, yes, group of negative numbers. That means minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on. Okay. So integers means what? Positive numbers, 0 and negative numbers together form a group of numbers. That group of numbers are called integers. Okay, I hope you understood now what is meant by integers. Yes, integers means it is a group of number. It contains positive number, 0 and negative numbers. Okay, so this group of number is called what? Together it is called the integers. Understood children? See here, so you know very well now what is meant by positive numbers and negative numbers. So here I have given some group of number. You have to classify the number whether it is positive or negative. Okay. So see here children, this is your, yes, question here. So minus 40. Minus 40 will come what? Yes. First here I have written positive number. So first you have to see here minus, that is negative. Okay. And negative 30, minus 30. Minus 30 is what? Yes, it is a negative number. 8. 8 is what? In front of there is no sign. So it it is a positive number. It will go to a positive group. So 8 is a positive number. Okay, already I told positive number without sign also we can write. Okay, and here plus sign is there, that means positive 7. So it will, yes, it is a positive numbers. And plus 9. Plus 9 means what? Positive numbers. And last number you have to see minus 56. Minus 56. So here negative sign is there in front of that number. So it will go, yes, to the negative group. Understood, children? Yes. Shall I go to next? So if I give any that numbers, group of numbers, can you classify now? Very good. See here. Write the numbers in the following examples using the proper sign. So if you are getting any statement, so you can write the number also now. How you can write? See here, I have given two examples here. First one is a kite is flying at a distance of 130 meters from the ground. So from the ground level, that is you can take that is a 0. Okay. So the depth means you can take as a negative number. So that height means, yes, you can say that positive. Okay. So first example, say here a kite is flying at a distance of 130 meters from the ground. So from the ground it will fly to the high. Okay. So that means it is a positive number. So here what I have written, plus 130 meter. Understood? Next one is, second you have to see here, the tunnel is at a depth of 4 meters under the ground. 4 meters under the ground. So it is what? Yes, negative. Okay. So above the ground it will come what? Positive. And depth, that means below the ground, it will come as a negative number. So minus 4 meter. That means negative 4 meters. So children, if I give any other example, can you say that number? Yes, with the help of the sign. Yes, can you write? Very good. Shall we go to next now? See here, next one is opposite numbers. So we studied about how we have to classify the number and how we have to write the number with a sign. That also we studied. Next one is opposite numbers. So opposite numbers means opposite numbers are at the same distance from 0 but in opposite direction. Okay, same distance from the 0, that means in the number line. So on the number line where it is present, the same distance from 0 but in opposite direction. That's why it is called what? Opposite numbers. See here children, here two rabbits, just you have to imagine two rabbits. Okay, both rabbits are in 0 place. So one rabbit, it will jump, say here the rabbit jumps 3 units to its right. So it will reach where? Yes, it will reach plus 3. Okay, and another rabbit, it will also jump the 3 units but in left side direction. So it will reach where? Minus 3. So we can say that plus 3 and minus 3, these both numbers are opposite numbers. Because why we are saying that are the opposite numbers? Yes, this plus 3 and minus 3 both are in the same equal distance but in opposite direction from the 0. So we can say this plus 3 and minus 3, they are opposite numbers. Okay, and another one, suppose see here one rabbit is jumping. Yes children, the rabbit will jump to the 2 units to the right. Okay, can you say that which number is there the same distance from the 0 to the left side? Yes, 1, 2. Which number is there? Minus 2. So we can say minus 2 and plus 2, these two numbers are opposite numbers. I hope you understood now. We will see some more example also. See here children, here one number line I have given and minus 4. 0 you have to take. Yes, 0, minus 4 where it is present? 1, 2, 3, 4. Which unit? Yes, here 4th unit. After the 4th unit, which number is there? After the 4 unit, which number is there? Minus 4. So just you have to see here 1, 2, 3, 4. Which number is there? Positive 4. So we can say negative 4 and positive 4, that is they are the opposite numbers. Okay, and another number, can you say? Yes, minus 1. Minus 1, can you say the opposite number of minus 1? Positive 1. That means plus 1. Okay, and another one number I will give here, yes, 25. Can you see the what is the opposite number of 25? Negative 25. And another one more number I will give, minus 28. What is the opposite number of negative 28? Very good, positive 28. So I hope you understood now what is meant by opposite numbers. So if here opposite number can you find? Very good. Shall we go to next now? So children, see here some number I have given in this table. Yes, number, and you got to find the opposite number. Okay. So 48, what is the opposite number? Minus 48. 34, what number here I didn't give answer. Can you say the answer? Very good. Negative 34 or minus 34. And the next one is, see here, minus 65. So here what will come? Yes, plus 65 will come. Okay. Shall I go to next? Next one is, the sum of two opposite number is 0. So children, see here, if you are adding this any two opposite number, so what you will get? Final answer, yes, it is 0. Okay. For example, here I have given plus 6 minus 6. If you are adding this two number, you will get 0. And plus 25 minus 25. If you are adding these two number, your answer is what? 0. And here, can you give me answer? Yes, minus 9 plus 9. If you are adding these two number, your answer, yes, it should be 0. That means the sum of two opposite number is 0. Okay. Shall we go to next? Next one is, children, comparing integers. Two number we have to compare which one is greater and which number is greater than and which number is less than. Okay. So see here children, 5 and 2. We can say 5 is greater than 2. And next one is what? Yes, 0 and 3. 3 is greater than 0. But here if that you are getting that negative numbers and positive number, which number is greater than? So which number is greater? How you will say? Yes, next slide you have to see here children. Here on the number line, integers to the right is always greater than the integers on the left. So see here children, these all numbers, these all positive numbers are present as right side of this 0. So these all positive numbers are greater than this 0. Okay. And next one is, see here, this 0, yes, is present in the right hand side of this all negative numbers. So we can say that 0 is greater than this all negative numbers. So when I will teach here with example, easily it will come to know children. Okay. So just once again I will read here, on the number line, integers to the right is always greater than, yes, the integers on the left side. See here, positive integer. Positive integer is always greater than 0. So here example also I have given, 6 is greater than 0, 9 is greater than 0. Okay. And next one is, yes, positive integer and negative integer. Positive integer is always greater than negative integer. Okay, because positive numbers are in right hand side of this negative numbers. Okay, so we can say positive integer are always, yes, greater than this negative integer. See here children, if you are getting that one positive number and one negative number, yes, positive number is always greater than negative number. Okay, and second example you have to see, 1 is greater than minus 9. Next one is negative 8 is less than positive 4. Okay, shall we go to next now? Next one is, yes, 0 is always greater than negative integer, because in number line where this 0 is there, yes, 0 is present in right hand side of this negative group of number. Okay, so here example you have to see, 0 is greater than negative 2 and minus 10 is less than 0. Understood children? Shall we go to next now? See here, in negative numbers, that means if the given numbers, two numbers are negative number, then what you will do? See here, in negative integers, the number with greater numerical value is smaller. So here children, if you are getting two negative number, just you have to see the number, which number is greater. So that number numerical value is smaller. Okay. See here, minus 7, minus 8. So here just you have to see the number 7 and 8. Here 8 is a greater number, but the value of this minus 8 is smaller than this minus 7. So you can say that minus 7 is greater than minus 8. Okay, and you can say this one also, this minus 7 is right hand side of this minus 8 on the number line. So minus 7 is the greater than minus 8. And next one, see next example also, minus 15 yes is less than minus 5. Okay, because that greater value numerical is what, 15. So the value of this 15 minus 15 is smaller than this minus 5. Okay, third example you have to see here children, minus 1000 is less than minus 100. Okay, I hope you understood now. Shall I go to next? So children, I hope you understood today's session. Yes, today we studied about that integers, that means positive numbers, negative numbers, and how we got to find out that opposite numbers, how we got to compare integers. These all things we discussed, isn't it? So children, this session now I am going to give some sample question. So like that question only will come, yes, for your unit. Okay, so here some sample question I have given here. First one is write the proper signs in the blanks. Okay, so here fill up is there, you have to, yes, first your question is what, minus 6 dash minus 8. Here option you have to see, first one is yes, less than, greater than, equal. Which sign will come? Can you say? Yes, minus 6. Here which number is greater number? Yes, which number is minus 6, isn't it? So minus 6 is here which? Yes, 1, 2, 3. Which option will come? Can you say? Yes, very good. Second option will come, isn't it? Second one is, so here you have to click minus 6, yes, is greater than minus 8. So here which option will come? You have to click second option. So children, for your unit you will get that option for all question. You have to click the correct answer only. Understood children? Next one is, see here, dash is the opposite number of 9. Can you say? Very good. Negative 9, isn't it? Here your answer you have to say plus 9, minus 9, 9. So here your answer is what? Yes, very good. Minus 9. So you have to click that proper, yes, correct option you have to click. Third question here I have given true or false. The sign of 4 is negative. So children say here the sign of 4 is negative. What is the sign of 4? Yes, sign of 4 is, here sign of this 4 is what? Positive, plus, isn't it? But here this question, yes, negative is there. So this is true or false? False, isn't it? So you have to click that false option. Understood children? So like this only question will come, like this objective type of question will come for your unit. You have to click the correct option. So I hope you understood this session. Yes, I hope this one will help for your unit test. So you have to do practice in your home children. Do your best. Yes, understood or what? Thank you children. Sai Ram.